god, she's superior.
What the fuck?
Slushy. Bro, stop drinking my damn slushy.
The following program is rated TV 14 PLV. Is not intended for children. Your discretion is advised.
Rockin' that Christian Dior. That nigga Pierre Bourne be making some of the hardest beats of all fucking time, nigga. Nice facts. So like y'all niggas don't speak. Clearly just heard my own echo and somebody fire alarm. That is not changed.
My fault, I was AFK.
Is that your mic?
What's the problem?
Oh, that's not my mic.
What's not your mic?
It's some shitty ass echo. Like, what's going on?
Okay, so just mute motherfuckers and find out who's his echoing. Right?
Bro, I'm gonna be honest, nobody could hear you. Like, you sound mad low. It's probably your ass mic. Why is that shit that low?
My shit ass. Okay, just turn the whole channel off.
And that's tough. That nigga really left the channel. How you get ran out of a fucking voice channel?
Our teammate did.
Right. Cause motherfuckers weak as hell.
Hold up.
Bro,
Ain't niggas run you out of a voice chat? How you calling other niggas weak?
Motherfuckers ass, bro. Y'all be sounding like females, bro.
You have girl in your name. What?
Bro, read my whole fucking name, bro. Yo, your ass can't read.
That shit is really ass. So I'm not even gonna put in time to try to read that shitty ass gamer tag.
That's cool. I just can't wait for your weak ass to go down.
Nigga, I'll make myself go down right now. I don't give a fuck about this game.
Please do, cause you a whole bitch, bro.
Nigga, I'm the
That
baddest
shit's
bitch in this
lame.
lobby. Fuck my dick.
If I'm a bitch, then I'm the baddest bitch.
Sound like a bitch, and I don't care about fixing it, nigga. Fuck is you talking
Cause you
about?
can't fix it. You on
I know
Xbox.
I can't.
Home
I
of the
know I
echoey
can't.
ass mics.
Cause
That
I'ma
shitty ass
just go
console,
ahead.
nigga.
I'ma just go ahead and watch you die. Cause you talking all that shit and you ain't gonna get the crown, you bro. Just hurry up and lose, bro.
Damn, our teammate went down. That's crazy.
Yeah, cause of your weak ass, he went
Bet you won't go
down.
save that
That's
nigga
why. Hell no, cause I don't know that nigga. Fuck you talking
Why
about?
are you on squad fills if that's your demeanor? You're such a dweeb.
No, because you a bitch. You just fucked it up. That's why the other
How did I
team
fuck
ain't
it up?
left. Cause you're a
That
whole
nigga
hoe.
left 'cause he's
Cause you're a
ass.
hoe. You're a hoe. You been acting like a bitch since the beginning of the game. Like,
To
what
be
do you
honest,
mean?
I think you're just mad because you got a shitty ass mic.
No, it's not even about that. It's just the fact that I'm getting tired of
That
playing
was
with you
the
gay-ass
entire
niggas,
conversation.
bro. Y'all some hoes on this game,
I am not a
bro.
hoe.
Y'all be
I guess
talking
you're a
and
hoe,
y'all
so
not
I'm gonna be
about
a
that
hoe.
in real life, bro.
You're
That's
not
all I'm
about
saying,
it. You won't
bro.
even drop your address.
Bro, I'm in Minnesota, bro. So now what?
Bruh,
So now
I ain't gonna
what?
lie to you. Just because Lil Yachty say you get cold like Minnesota, don't mean that y'all like that. Relax.
There's no way he's trying to hammer you. He's wild. Bro, he plays like he's so little.
Weave, dumbass. Weave, dumbass. It's kind of crazy how that man was trying to call me homosexual, but he's constantly on my penis.
Bro, what is he even doing right now, bro?
He's just really mad. So this is his way of like, is that supposed to hurt me? That's literally
That's your teammate.
like literally.
That's your teammate.
He's so dumb. Oh nah, nigga shooting at me. They better start shooting at him. That nigga ran. Why are you running? I thought he was like that. Big mistake, buddy. Get out that damn house.
His pussy ass thought that was gonna work. Aha.
Not really.
Bitch
You have a
ass.
hammer.
Shut up,
I'm not
fag.
dumb.
Shut up,
I knew
fag.
you were going
Shut
to
up,
use the hammer.
bitch.
Like what the fuck?
Like I said, fag, you can't kill me. It's not gonna work. You a whole hoe.
I mean, I don't really care if I kill you.
Shut
as long
up,
as I watch
bitch.
somebody kill you.
Shut up, hoe. Shut up, hoe.
It's crazy
None of that
because
shit.
you're trying to claim I'm homosexual,
Bitch ass
but you
nigga.
been on my cock this entire
You
time.
is homosexual. You's a bitch.
Even if I was
Period,
homosexual,
nigga.
why are you allowing a
What you
homosexual
talking
nigga
about,
to enter
nigga?
your mind this
You's a
crazily?
fag ass nigga. Period,
Weave.
nigga. Fuck
You thought that was gonna
talking
work,
about, nigga.
stupid?
You's a bitch, nigga.
Weave.
You's a
You
bitch.
really tried it, nigga. That's tough.
Fuck is you talking about, nigga? You're not gonna win, nigga. I bet you
I
died before
don't
me.
care.
I bet you died before me.
I literally said
bet you
earlier,
died
as
before
long as
me,
I get to
nigga.
watch you
care,
die,
nigga.
I don't
it's
care.
It's my goal right now to kill you, pussy, and it's gonna happen.
You
Watch.
do realize I came on here to
Fag
not
ass,
win.
nigga.
I don't care
Shut
if I
your
die.
bitch ass up. Shut your bitch ass up.
Because either
nigga.
way, with one less teammate, you're definitely gonna die, and that's all I
Fuck
care
out of
about.
here, nigga. You're definitely gonna die. So gay
You know
ass
you won
outta
when
here,
they start
nigga.
mimicking
So
you.
gay
It's
ass
kind
out
of
of
crazy.
here, nigga. Cause you sound lame as hell.
I actually
Fuck you
sound way
talking
cooler
about?
than you.
You sound lame as hell, nigga.
You sound like a bigot.
Your game
You
is
sound
over.
ignorant.
Your game is over. You're not gonna kill nobody else, my nigga.
I can
That
actually
shit
go
is
over there and
over
kill
with,
multiple
nigga.
AIs if I wanted to.
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Like I said,
I don't
you ain't
listen
going
to
nowhere,
losers.
nigga. You're not going nowhere, nigga.
How am I not
Fuck you
going
and this
anywhere?
car, nigga.
I'm literally
Fuck is
using
you
the car to
talking
go
about,
somewhere right
nigga?
now.
Yeah, I know. You're scared,
But
though.
you just said
You're
I wasn't
scared,
going
though.
anywhere.
You's a bitch, and I'm gonna kill you.
You
I promise
constantly
you I am.
contradict
Is that
yourself.
a fire? Ooh, is
It's
that
kinda
fire?
crazy.
It is. It is. Where he at? There you go, right there.
Dang, is that med mist? Can't wait to start using it once I lose any type of health.
Well, yeah, I know. Or no, I know. Matter of fact, I'm gonna wait till you die. I'm gonna wait till a couple more people die. I got something for your ass. Nigga, I'd rather kill you than win this fucking game, nigga.
You weren't gonna win either way. I hope you understand that.
I don't care about that, nigga. I'm gonna kill you on Twitch just for entertainment, nigga. Cause you's a bitch, nigga.
If you're on
period,
Twitch
nigga.
saying the F word, you are the worst streamer of all time. This is how I know you're never
Cause I
going
muted
anywhere.
my Twitch. I muted my
Getting your
Twitch
life.
chat, nigga. Don't worry about me,
Twitch
nigga.
chat?
Like I
How can
said,
you
I'm
mute a Twitch chat?
gonna kill you. I'm going to kill you, my nigga.
Can you explain to me
That's
how
all
you
need
mute a
to
Twitch
know.
chat?
Don't worry about it. Google it, pussy. Now.
Why
That's
would I
what you
Google
can
something
do, nigga.
when you can tell me it right now?
What the fuck is you talking about? Stop talking to me, my nigga. Or mute
You're the
me, my
one who
nigga, cause
got
I'm
ran
gonna
out
kill
of a
you,
voice
nigga.
chat 2 times, and
You
they
was
came
a
back to
bitch.
talk to me.
No, I
Yeah,
went
you're
out
calling
my
me
chat so I
homosexual.
can tell my
I
Twitch.
honestly
so
think
I
you
can
like
tell my
me.
Twitch viewers. I can tell I like you. You's a bitch. Why would I like you? What do you
Because
mean?
I'm a very
trying
bad
to
bitch.
kill you. I'm trying to kill you. What do
Whoa
you
there,
mean?
buddy.
I like
don't
you.
swing that way, so I
I'm
don't think I
trying
want
to
you to
kill
kill
you.
my cheeks.
What do you mean? Man, you gay as hell, bro. You the only gay ass nigga that say some shit like that. I'm talking about in real life, nigga.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
You will get killed, nigga.
Are you being an internet thug right now?
No, I ain't no internet thug. I told you where I'm at.
You didn't
You
tell
think
me
I'm
anything.
playing?
You
I'm
said
dead
a
ass
random
serious,
state
nigga.
in
I
the
told
United
you
States of
I'm in
America.
Minnesota.
You
I'm
didn't
in
give a
Minnesota.
street name.
It's
You
not
didn't give
random.
a zip
It's not
code.
random.
You didn't give anything.
Bro,
not
you're
even
not
the
on
city.
shit. You's a bitch. You're not gonna come, bro.
That nigga got ran out of a voice chat again. But yeah, if that nigga is a Twitch streamer, he will literally go nowhere. He will probably peak at 10,000 because there's a bunch of ignorant bigots that love to watch other ignorant bigots, and will go nowhere else. Anyone who uses slang, such as those slurs, will never go anywhere. This is the new day and age. Come on now. The LGBTQ is running everything. Look at that nigga Lil Nas X. 56 million monthly listeners on Spotify and Apple Music. Damn, that nigga died before me.
I want him to die, because even if he do win, I get a crown. So I'd rather see him die, my nigga. Hurry up, bitch ass nigga, and die, nigga.
You sound very hurt. Damn, that nigga mic is ass. Shit is still echoing, and it sounds like Atari.
Yeah, I turned my shit up all the way and sitting in front of my TV to throw you off.
To throw me off? Do you think I'm trying
Yeah,
right
you's a
now?
bitch. You's a bitch.
Bruh,
You's a
there's no
bitch.
way you actually think I take Fortnite serious to the point where I care about crowns.
Do you hear yourself? You're definitely homosexual, bro.
Even if I was, there'd be nothing wrong with that.
That's all I needed to know. If you would have said that at the beginning of the game, bro, I would have
I've
muted
been
your
saying that
gay
this
ass, bro.
entire
You
time.
would have been good, bro. That's all I'm saying,
You
bro.
need to
You
mute
just
your
did
own
all
self.
that capping, bro, and you gay, bro. That's crazy.
I am not homosexual. But if I was, there'd be nothing wrong with that.
Just either hurry up and die or win us a crown, nigga. That's it. That's it. That's all, bro.
To be honest, I think I'm just gonna force you to watch me for as long as possible.
No, I'm gonna watch you. Because
Yeah,
you just
because
told
I'm
the
making you
truth,
watch me.
bro.
What the
I
fuck?
respect you more because you just told the truth, my nigga.
I don't need
And
your
I'm
respect.
being all serious, right now, my nigga.
Getting respect from you would be like getting respect from a KKK
I don't
member.
care. I don't care.
I don't
need it.
care
It's
what
the
you're
fact
saying.
that you just
I'm
told
speaking
the
for
truth,
myself.
nigga. You just made me the right motherfucker because I knew you was gay. Yes. Let's get his ass out the way, my nigga. Kill him. Get him out the way, my nigga. Yes. They finna come kill these niggas. Yes.
Is it doing 5?
Kill this nigga. Yes. He about to die, my nigga. Yes.
Are you clapping your cheeks right now?
Right there, bro. He about to
There's no way
die.
Yeah, I think that nigga is
That's
clapping his
crazy.
cheeks.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah. Kill this nigga. Yeah.
Nothing?
Die.
What the fuck?
Kill this nigga. Enemies, where you at? It's like 7
They gotta
niggas
have the
left.
glider redeploy.
Kill
shit.
this
Ain't no
nigga,
way.
bro. Kill this nigga, bro. That's all I want to see. They're gonna kill your ass. They're coming to kill
Dang.
you right now.
It's almost like I don't care.
Kill pieces. Just kill pieces, y'all. Just please.
You know them niggas cannot hear
kill
you,
this
right?
nigga. Just please.
I don't know
Just
if you
please.
think we're in creative mode, but they definitely cannot hear you.
Just please. Just please. Just please.
It's kind of crazy how you died before me. Aren't you supposed to be better than me?
Actually, I died purposely. I just want to see you die, nigga. I don't care.
I
About
didn't say
viewers or none
biggest.
of that
I
shit,
definitely
nigga.
said bigot.
I just want to
But
see
I'm sure
you
you don't
die,
know what that
nigga,
word
'cause
means.
It's always niggas like you. It's always niggas like you that talk shit that don't win a crown or nothing, nigga. They be trying to get carried. So I just want to see you
Get carried.
die, and
I
I'll
do
be
not need to be
good.
carried.
I'll be good. I'll be all right, nigga.
I don't even
I'll
care
be
about
all right,
crowns,
bro.
but you know,
I don't care about crowns either. I just want to
Hold
see you die because you's a whole hoe, nigga. That's it. That's
I'll
all.
just be
nigga.
cooling, earning my shit.
That's it.
Cause I'm like
Wow,
that.
he has 11 crowns. Wow. The fuck out of here, gay
But I thought
ass.
you said I couldn't get a win.
Fuck
That's
out
kind
of
of
here,
wild.
nigga. That don't mean shit, nigga. Your
Are
little
you
brother
being
probably,
openly
you probably
homophobic
your
on Twitch
little
right now?
brother- No, you are homophobic. What do you mean?
What?
You're gay. You're gay, nigga.
If
What
I'm
you
gay,
talking about,
why would I
nigga?
be homophobic?
How would I be homophobic and you lied about you being gay? Does that make any
You
sense, my
make
nigga?
zero sense. There's no way people actually watching
How
the
does
majority.
that make any sense? How does that make any sense? Because I know this gay ass nigga not gonna get the crown.
I don't really care if I get the
Kill
crown.
this nigga. I just want to see this nigga die. I swear to God.
Okay, well, it's a 1v1v1.
If he gets the crown, y'all, if he gets the crown, I will go into another match just to perfectly give it to somebody else in the free match, nigga. That's as much as I hate this nigga, because he's a
What
whole
would that
bitch
even
ass
do
nigga.
to me? Like, what the
He's a
fuck?
bitch ass nigga. Straight up. I just want to see this nigga die, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Smack
That
this
man is
nigga
wild
with this
there.
Kamehameha. All
That
shit. Ooh, he almost
weave.
grabbed me,
I'm
bro.
like that, nigga.
He almost smacked that nigga, bro. Kill this nigga, bro.
That's not a
Just like
Kamehameha. That's a
inches.
Deku smash.
Just
Those are two different
just
enemies.
couple inches to the left, bro. You had
Ooh,
that,
there's
bro.
one over
I
there.
swear to God, bro. He almost smacked your stupid ass. I would have been happy, bro. Yes! Kill this nigga, bro. Hit him 3 more times, bro, and he's done. He's done, bro. Kill this nigga, bro. This is the most exciting time to see this nigga die, bro. Kill him, y'all. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him.
Weave? That nigga thought he was
Kill him.
fucking valid. Let's go. I'm really like that,
Oh,
nigga.
fuck, he
I
killed
ain't
himself.
need
He
no
killed himself.
fucking
He killed
teammates.
himself.
I ain't need this
He just
bitch
killed
ass
himself,
nigga.
bro.
Tell that
He
nigga
just
suck
killed
this. That
himself.
nigga's a fucking goat.
The enemy killed
You
himself.
already know.
You didn't do anything.
You gotta
The
understand.
enemy
When niggas
killed
is hating on you,
himself,
you
bro.
always gotta prevail.
Bro,
It don't matter
the
if they
enemy killed
homophobic,
himself.
racist,
The enemy killed
transphobic, a
himself.
bitch ass nigga who
He's
not
a
on shit that live in
bitch. He's a
Minnesota.
bitch.
Or
Thank you for the
they
crown,
could be
sir.
a midget.
Thank you for the crown.
Nigga, I'm
Thank you for the
fucking
crown.
like that. Beat that nigga verbally, and I beat that nigga virtually. Come on now, bruh. That is so fucking crazy. Niggas really be hating on you to the maximum degree. They don't want to see you win. And then you just win.